Hey guys, you're here today with me again, the Beamer DIY guy, here at your service. Today we're gonna be working on my X5. Gonna get these headlights together. Let's take it step by step real quick, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm done. Let's see. Okay, the box comes with 1,000 grit. 3,000 grit, polisher, this headlight cylinder. This is the protecting. Say it can last a year, keep it from fogging up again. It's the polish and the applicator for the cylinder. So I'm gonna get started. Start with the 1,000 grit, more coarser. Dip it in the water, keep it wet, sand it down. I'll be right back with you. Okay, I went over it one time with 1,000 grit. This is a big difference already. Oh, I can't wait. I should have been doing this. Alright, I'll be back.